Hi everyone, hope you're having a good week this week. As you can see from my background, I'm sure you recognize some of these characters. It's Pokemon themed because of a very special birthday announcement. It's somebody's birthday this Sunday. There seems to be lots of birthdays in May. It's a very special month for my class. But Kyle, I wanted to wish you a very happy birthday. His birthday's on the 17th, so it's coming up in a few days. And I know you like Pokemon, so I said I changed the background up just for you. So I hope you have a lovely day with your family, and I hope you're doing well at home. Before I get into this video, I can hear some snoring there. You might hear it. Loud snoring. Sandy, do you know what? We haven't seen Sandy in a while, so I might even just bring her into the video. Wait now. Sandy. Oh, she's waking up. Come here. Say hello. I know you're really sleepy. I'm sorry. Come here, look at this. Look. She wanted to say hello. You want to go back to sleep? Yeah. Okay. Let's go back to sleep. But I just thought you might like to see Sandy. She's doing well at the moment. She's a bit sleepy today. All right. But she's having a good day today. All right. You can sit down there, Sandy. Good girl. Sit down beside me. She can sit beside me. Okay. So she doesn't know what's going on. Today we're going to do. I have a special guest as well, not just Sandy, but my brother will be doing a PE video with us, and I'm going to do, before I start my PE video, I'm going to do a quick maths quiz. So keep watching and we'll start. Okay, hi guys. Before I get into the PE, we're going to do a quick maths quiz. So I have Moonter Claire's first class maths quiz. What I'm going to do is I'm going to call out the question. I want you to try and figure out the answer. And if you want, take your time with it. Pause the video, see if you can figure it out. And then see if your answer is right. Don't worry if you're wrong. It's all practice, and there's lots of maths here that we haven't done in a little while. It's only a few questions, but try and give it your best shot. Don't worry if you get things wrong. It's all about practice. Okay, so I'll give you a little bit of time to answer them, but pause it if you need extra time. Okay, great, let's go. Okay, first question. What is 7 plus 4? Okay, the answer is 11. Well done if you got it right. The next one is 100 square. So have a look at the 100 square. What I want you to do is I want you to pick out numbers that I call out and see if you got it right. So the first number you need to pick out is 25. Where's 25? Quick, put your finger on it. Did you get it right? Next number is 100. Try and find 100. It's 100 square, so there's a hint for you. There you go, the blue circle. The next number is number 9. Number 9. See if you can find number 9. And the last number is number 63. Let me find 63. It's going to be a purple circle coming up. Great. Okay. Moving on to our next question. What time is it on this clock? Okay, the big hand is at 12 and the small hand is at 3. The big hand's at 12. That might give you a hint. It's 3 o'clock. What time is it on this one? So the big hand is still at 12. So there's your hint. What time is it in this one? 7 o'clock. Well done if you got that one right. Do one more time. What time is it in this one? The big hand is still at 12, but the small hand's at a different number. What time is this one? 11 o'clock. Now, here's a different one. What time is it on this clock? Have a little think. If it's not at 12 and the big hand is at 6, what could it be? Have a little think. It's 9:30. So when the big hand's at 6, it's 9:30, okay? Well done if you got it right. I was trying to throw in a tricky one there to see if some people would remember it. So keep that in mind for our next quiz. Next question. What shape is this? So I have some practical examples. There's a disc, there's a clock, and that red shape in the right hand corner, what is it? Circle. Well done. The next one is, what shape is this? It's the yellow shape in the corner. What is it? There's an envelope, there's a ruler. It's a rectangle. What shape is this one? I know there's people shouting at their screens right now. It's the blue shape in the corner. I nearly said what it was. It's a square. And what shape is this one? This is a tricky one. It's kind of like a circle, but it's not a circle. There's a jewel and there's a mirror. But what shape is it? It's an oval. So well done to you if you got that one, because that's a tricky one. What shape is this? So there's a coat hanger and there's an instrument I don't want to call out because it's the same name as the shape. It's a triangle. Now, moving on to our next question. Takeaway sum. What is 10 take away 6? I have 10 and I take away 6. What's the answer? If you want to pause it there and have a little think. The answer is 4. Well done if you got that one right. Next question. What is 20 take away 10? And if you want to pause the video now and try and work it out, take your time with it. 20 and I take away 10. 10 is the answer. Great. Okay, so that was our quick quiz for today. Well done if you got a few of them right. Super work if you got them all right. It takes a little bit of practice, so I'll try and do another one in another video. But well done, that was great. We're going to move on to a little bit of PE now. Okay, hi everyone. I'm a little bit of a different video today. I'm outside with my brother David.
Hello.
And he's here to help me with a few warm-ups. He's much better at football than I am, so he's just showing me a few things he can do. And all you'll need is a ball at home and something to bounce it off, like a wall. So it doesn't have to be a ball like the one we have. Anything at all will do. So we're going to start off with our first warm-up. David, you might show us first. David will do a demo, and what he's using is his watch, so he's going to time it for 30 seconds. So if you have an adult at home, that'll be able to help you and just time it for you and give this a go. So David's going to go first, then I'm going to give it a try. Not sure how it's going to go for me, but see if you can count how many times David hits the ball off the wall. Okay,
so 30 seconds.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Go. Are you there?
That's it.
How many is that? I can't count. Okay, well,
I think I got 32.
Yeah, 32. I lost count in the middle of that, so maybe you were counting at home. I'll put it up on the screen now how many Dave got. So now it's my turn. All right, David, you put a timer on your watch?
Yeah.
So I'm going to be hitting it, you holding it with one hand and using your other hand to hit it. You can swap if you want.
30 seconds.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, a little bit slower.
You count the numbers. Hold it in one hand.
Oh, hold it, hold it.
Halfway there. What number, yeah?
I think I'm at 14.
Okay, and...
One more. No. Okay, yeah? So
Time, yeah.
Okay. I think I got 22. I'll double check that in the video, but 22. Not too bad.
That's the first one.
Okay, so here's the second one.
Second one is just kicking the ball against the wall. Try
Okay.
use your bad foot and your good foot. But
Yeah, try and swap it
you
up.
can just use your good foot if you want.
And it's like what you practice with GA with Paul in school. So you're just kind of soloing the ball, but we're going to use the wall to kick it against. Okay, so do you have the timer on?
Oh yeah.
Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Go. Okay, so that was 25.
25.
25.
That's great.
I'm going to try and give it a go, try and beat you.
Okay.
I might even use the one foot. Like, David's much better than me, so he was swapping feet, so you could practice that, but I might stick with the one foot. Right. Do you have the timer on?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
2, 1. What you get?
I think it was 20.
20?
It might have been 18.
We'll check on the video.
I'll check on the video again.
That's the second
I'm
one.
concentrating too much to be counting. Alright, so our third and final warm up. What's it going to be? We're going to kick the ball against the wall, okay, and see how many you can do for 30 seconds. Trying to swap your feet as much as you can. Okay, so David, do you have a timer on?
Yeah, I'll go now. No.
Go!
5, 6. That's it.
30. That's very good.
30. You're doing 30 and 30.
30 and 30. See if I can beat that. Okay, let's give it a go. Right, do the timer on.
Yeah.
Alright, go.
4.
4,
5.
5.
halfway.
10, 11.
What are you on? 5 seconds?
14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
20.
20. Okay, not too bad. I think I need I could do a little more practice. Okay, so there are 3 warm-ups, and now we're going to do just practicing different passes to each other, like you were doing in GA in school. Okay, so what's the first one?
Hand pass.
Hand pass. Okay. So holding the ball and using your other hand to pass it over. Okay, so practice a few of them. If there's someone at home you could do it with, that's great practice for you. What's the second one?
Kick pass.
Kick pass. So just like this.
Yeah.
A bit higher. Okay.
Use your bad, use your bad foot and your good foot.
Okay, bad foot. I'll try my bad foot.
Pass.
Bad. And my good foot. Okay. Okay, so the last thing today is I'm going to give you a little challenge and see how many solos you can do with the ball. So Dave, will you just show us what a solo should look
just
like?
get 5.
So Dave did 5 there. See how many I can do?
Whoa.
Okay.
1,
Let's try. 1, 2, 3.
3.
3. Okay, if you can beat that, try it. Okay, so that's the end of today's really quick PE lesson, and see if you can try them out at home. And just want to say thanks to David for coming into the video, and I'll talk to you again real soon.